how would you love to make some additional income this year, save money in your taxes, help a lot of people in the process, and have fun? Well, that's what we're here for. It's Healthy Hydration. It's Amanda here. And I want to teach you today on what is our affiliate program and what are the benefits for you, what are the benefits for others coming through this program. So just to start you off, just to let you know a little bit of my background, I spent 12 years in a network marketing company. And I traveled and spoke all over the world, developed training programs, been on CNN, NBC, Fox News, was very successful doing it. But after 12 years, I decided I want to start my own company so I can be in control of every aspect of the company, from the products to the people to every aspect of it. And so we wanted to make our own affiliate program. So that being said, I'm going to actually go down here and teach you what our affiliate program looks like. So when you come in, I always say you can't sell something you don't own. Because if you won't spend the money to purchase it, why are you expecting someone else to purchase it too, right? So you got to be a product of the product. So coming in, I would assume you'd either purchase our whole house bundle pack, which is around $5,000, or you'd get our on top of the counter home unit bundle pack, which is around $2,000. So let's just imagine it's a $2,000 purchase or $5,000. You can do the math either way. So we have a $2,000 purchase. So you'd come in with $2,000. Now, if you have Tina, who's like, oh my gosh, I drank the water and I feel so much better. My headaches are gone, my inflammation seems to be going down, my digestive issues. I want one of these, so how can I acquire it? You're gonna say, well, let me send you my link, because you're gonna get a link that's complimentary. You don't have to purchase a website, nothing. It's already done for you. It's just copy, paste. Now Tina's gonna say, okay, yeah, can you help me get this? Yeah, okay, yeah. So she's gonna spend $2,000. And then our affiliate program says, wow, thank you, Jan. We want to send you a thank you check for helping Tina. And that thank you check is going to be 20% of her purchase. So this purchase right here off of Tina, you're going to receive $400 as a thank you check. Now she is going to need filters. Just remember that. Once a year you want to change the filters, you're going to receive 20% of the filters too. So it's residual income. The more machines you have, the more filters are going to need it. And then therefore you're building that residual income. Now, Tina's like, well, my friend Terry, oh my gosh, she wants one too. So Tina here that spent $2,000, she's going to sell her first one to, well, yeah, let's just say Terry. So Terry's going to say, I want to get the $2,000 product. I'm going to have this water. I'm going to feel better too. Well, Tina is going to receive the 20%, right? And then you're not going to get the direct sale anymore. You're going to get the override, which is 10%. So off of Terry's sale, Tina would get 20% and you would get 10%. So now you're looking at $200. And now this isn't your direct person, right? This is just for helping Tina help her friend. And now Terry is also going to see the opportunity and she's going to say, I want to do this and I'm going to sell it to Fred, my friend Fred. So Fred's going to come in with a $2,000 purchase. And Fred's going to be like, oh my gosh, this is awesome. So there's going to be the commission that goes out to Terry at 20%. So Terry's going to get the $400 20%. And then Tina is going to get the $200 off the 10%. And then the 5% override from Fred's sale is going to go to you. So you're going to receive 5% on that $2,000 purchase. So you're looking at around $100 or so for that one. Isn't that amazing? So there's a 3-tier program. All you gotta do is share a link. We have online webinars that we do. We can do 3-way calls, we can do Zoom meetings, you can bring the people here in our local area to experience the water. And we have lots of other products too, not just water. So definitely check our product line. If you have questions, you wanna know how to get more involved, we have it all laid out for you. You've had 12-week training program, step by step by step by step. We'll handhold you to the finish line. It's really exciting. So I hope you take us up on this. If you got a product already and you love it, why not share it? Be a product of the product and help other people. The mission for Healthy Hydration is to help people one glass of water at a time, not just physically, but financially, because stress is the #1 thing that leads to everything. Every disease, every health issue is stress. We have our stress from our environment, our toxins, our cell phones, our microwaves, our EMFs, all these things are hitting our body. Then we have our thoughts. Oh my gosh, if you don't have money, that's the biggest stressor that there is. Now you're in fight or flight, stress hormones. Well, that's where Healthy Hydration wants to help you. We want to help you get balance in your life, to help the stress. And financial stress is a big one. Then of course, if you have an injury, that's the other stressor. So if we can maintain our stress levels, keep our body in balance, our body can heal. So the mission here is help people one glass of water at a time, physically and financially. Cheers, friends. We'll see you in the next video.